Hello class, this is your professor Megan Rivera. I wanted to go over the Selfie Session 1 assignment with you so that you know exactly what you should be doing to complete this assignment successfully. So what you're going to be using for all of your courses is your student email and your OneDrive. So I just wanted to go over those quickly with you so that you're familiar with them. If you go to the Johnson County Community College website, and you click over here on student email, you click on O365. That's Office 365. It'll prompt you to log in, but as you can see, I'm already logged in, and then it'll open up this main menu for you. See, you can access your mail here. You need to check your email daily to stay up to date with all of the announcements from the school and your professors. Any announcements that your professors add to Blackboard, you'll receive an email announcement for those. So in order to be successful, you really need to be checking that daily as a reminder. If you see here, you have your Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel. You can use those buttons to access your Office 365 programs. Here's your OneDrive. If you're familiar with Google Drive, it's very similar to that. It's a cloud for your assignments. You can use that. I recommend that you create a folder for each of your courses to stay organized and save all of your assignments onto your OneDrive so that you can always access them wherever you're able to access your student email. As you can see, I have mine saved here. So we're going to go back to the main menu of the Office 365, and we're going to, actually we're going to do it from the OneDrive so I can show you. If you click on New, you're going to click on Word Document. This is the first step to doing your Selfie Session 1. You're going to want to save that, so you go to File, Save As, and you're going to save a copy online. And you need to save it as Selfie Session 1, and then your last name and first name. This is the same title that you're going to give the email when you submit the assignment to me as well in the subject line. So you're going to save that. Then you can go ahead and center it. You're going to put the title, which is going to be the same that you saved the file, the same name. So you're going to do Selfie Session 1, last name, comma, first name. And you can use these to center it, move it to the left or the right. You can also change the font up here and the size of the font as well. So right underneath the title, you're going to insert the selfie photo that you chose that represents why you decided to come to Johnson Community College. So you'll already have to have that file saved onto your computer, so you can take the photo and you can upload it onto your computer. You can email it to yourself and save it. Then you're going to go over here to insert, click on picture, browse to find the selfie. I have mine there. Since I wanted to teach at Johnson Community College, and when I'm working on my teaching stuff, I wear glasses, I chose to add a Snapchat filter showing glasses. You can use a Snapchat filter if you want to. You can use an Instagram filter. You don't have to. Whatever you choose to do. Right underneath there, if you want to click on your photo, you can also format your picture. You can change the shape of it. There's a bunch of different things that you can do. Right underneath that is where your 2 to 3 paragraph essay is going to go, where you answer the question of why did I decide to come to Johnson Community College. Make sure that you concentrate on correct punctuation, capitalization, and spelling. This is going to be graded. It should be about 200 words long. Once completed, you need to save the file as a PDF. Oftentimes, a lot of your professors in different courses are going to request that you upload or email them a PDF file. So I'm going to take this opportunity to show you how you can save it as a PDF file. You just come over here to File, Save As. If you remember, we already saved one copy of it. And then here you go, it says Download as a PDF. It's converting to a PDF. Your document is ready. Click on Download, Save File. And if you see, it came over here. That's where my downloads go. So then I'm going to come back to my OneDrive. I'm going to go into my ACA class, and then I'm going to drag my full file over here. If it lets me, I should go there. You can also upload the file. So as you can see, it's not cooperating to let me drag it. So I can go to Upload, Files. And I saved it as Selfie Session 1. There you go. As you can see, what just happened is a great example to show you. So I usually save my items to Meg's Teaching, and I saw Selfie Session 1, but if you see the dot, that's the extension. It tells you what type of file it is. It said HTML, but I know that's not right because I need it to be a PDF. So I went to Downloads, and that's where it's saved. Now my extension is a .pdf. I know that's the right one. I click Open, and now I have it right here in my ACA folder for safekeeping. That way, when I want to create the email to send to my professor, I can go back to my email, click on New, type in my professor's email address, which you can find on the syllabus or in your instructor tab in Blackboard. That's for each of your instructors. And my subject line again is going to be the title of the assignment, Selfie Session 1, and last name, comma, first name. Most of your instructors have several classes, and each class might consist of up to 25 students. So the clearer that you are with what you're submitting, the easier it is for them to keep track of their grading and get the grades done quickly and back to you. So make sure that you make the subject exactly what it's supposed to be. Don't forget to attach the file to the email. So you click on the little paper clip. You can go to Computer, and then you can go back to Downloads. If you remember, that's where it was. And you can click Open, and then you want to attach it as a copy. You can also decide, we're in the OneDrive as you see right here. So if I go to my ACA courses, I only have, there it is. Make sure that you're attaching the one with the PDF, because if you see the first one that we saved a copy of, it's a Word document right there. That is not the right one that we want. We want it to be a PDF. So there you go, that's the correct one. So you can click it and attach it that way as well. Make sure you click Attach as a copy, and then you can go ahead and send it over to your professor. You still need to submit it in one other place. So the second place that you need to submit it, you go to Weekly Assignments in Blackboard, Section 1 on your mark. We're in week number 1. We're going to scroll down, click on Selfie Session 1. You can view the rubric. I suggest that you open it and have that open as you're working on your 2 to 3 paragraphs to make sure that you hit all of the points. And then you want to attach a file. So you click on Browse, and then we're going to attach that PDF. Click Submit. And then once it's submitted, you'll go ahead and see this pop up here. It'll show you your assignment, and then this is where you'll find later it will look like this when I add your grade and any comments that I've added to your grade as well. So that will complete week 1 Selfie Session 1 assignment. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time or post them in the discussion board for other classmates to answer as well. And you have a great day.